The director of DSS, we want to say enough is enough. We have come to file from 48 against him. We have commenced contempt proceedings against him for deceiving, disobeying court orders. Nigeria is not a Benin Republic. We have had several directors of DSS. He is not the first one, and this is not going to be the last one. So we have filed it, and we are asking that now that it's obvious that he has a personal issue to settle with Emefiele, he should go and sort it out. He should not use Nigeria. He should not use any sign, any purported offense of terrorism to sort whatever problem he had with Emefiele. Just like as I said, Senator Ahmed Bola Tinubu was one of those that fought for this democracy through Nadeko. Now that he's the president, we want to call upon him as a matter of urgency. He should sack the director DSS for embarrassing the entire world, for embarrassing Nigeria.
We joined forces together with the world to call on the president to make sure that the DSS director is removed as soon as possible. In fact, tomorrow is too late. It is very, very important. That is the point that we are laboring to make. We are not here to represent Emefiele. We are not here to represent any particular person. It's not only him. Emefiele is not the only person suffering passing through this agony. Every Nigerian is a victim of this circumstance. And what makes it worrisome is the fact that a ridiculous charge is being preferred against the person of Emefiele. This is not what Nigerians were expecting.
The director of DSS. The essence of filing the contempt proceedings is, as Nigerians, every Nigerian do have the right to enforce the judgment of courts. So, as Nigerians, and not only as Nigerians, but as lawyers, we are complaining against disobedience of an order of court by someone who is even saddled with the responsibility to ensure that the order of court is obeyed. And as well known, in fact, as my left friend said, I have a matter, a client of mine. This court released a client of mine on bail unconditionally, but that client of mine has been in DSS detention for more than 1 year. We are saying enough is enough.